Hey, welcome everyone to this conversation. Today we're diving into starting your investment journey with just $100. It's all about building wealth, even with a small amount.
Yeah. So you're telling me that $100 really is enough to get started?
Absolutely. It might seem like peanuts at first, but it's the habit of investing that really matters. Every dollar counts when you build the habit.
Yep.
So you're developing that mindset of putting your money to work.
Yeah, I get it. It's like planting a tiny seed that eventually grows into a big tree, right?
Exactly. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. Compound interest is your best friend here. You invest, and then your returns start earning returns, and over time, it just keeps growing.
Compound interest is amazing, but doesn't that require a long time to really notice the effect?
It does take time, true, but even a decade can make a huge difference. For instance, with an average annual return of 7%, that $100 could nearly double in 10 years. And if you keep investing a little bit more along the way, the effect just multiplies.
So it's like you're setting the stage for long-term growth, kind of like laying down a solid foundation.
Right on. And there are multiple ways to invest your $100 safely without feeling too risky. We're talking about options like ETFs, fractional shares, robo-advisors, and even high-interest savings accounts.
ETFs, huh? They let you spread out your risk, right?
Exactly. ETFs bundle stocks and bonds, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's like you're buying a little piece of many companies at once.
Yep. And fractional shares, that's a cool idea for big names like Apple or Amazon, isn't it?
Oh yes, definitely. Instead of waiting to afford a full share, you can own just a piece of that high-quality stock. It's like having a slice of a huge pie without needing the whole pie.
How about robo-advisors? They sound a bit too automated for my taste. Aren't you worried about giving up control?
That's a fair question. Robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront, are designed for beginners. They handle all the heavy lifting by aligning your investments with your risk tolerance and goals. It's not about losing control, but about making investing accessible.
I can see that, although I sometimes feel like the human touch might still be important, especially when markets get volatile.
True, but remember, the key benefit here is ease and consistency. Plus, these platforms are built with safeguards. It's like having an autopilot for your financial journey. Sometimes you need that to guide you through the turbulent weather.
Right. And what about high-interest savings accounts? They don't exactly give you the thrill of the stock market, do they?
Nope, they're more for safety first. High-yield savings accounts, offered by banks like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs, let you earn a bit more interest without the volatility of stocks. It's a more secure place to store that $100 if you're a bit hesitant about market ups and downs.
So essentially, you're providing multiple paths depending on how comfortable you are with risk.
Exactly. The idea is to get started, regardless of the approach. Whether you're dipping your toes with fractional shares, let a robo-advisor manage it, or keep it safe in a savings account, it's all progress.
Right. It sounds really straightforward, but then, isn't there a risk that starting with such a small amount might limit your potential returns?
Not really. The focus is more on, building consistency. It's the principle of starting small and letting that habit compound over time, much like compound interest itself. Every dollar you invest is a building block.
I get that, but what if someone thinks $100 is too insignificant? How do you overcome that mindset?
Well, it's important to remember that every journey begins with a single step. Starting small is actually a smart approach because it teaches discipline without overwhelming you. Over time, even small investments add up, and you get into the habit of continually investing.
It's kind of like saving coins in a piggy bank when you were a kid. Eventually, those coins added up, right?
Exactly, it's like that. But with a twist, your money is actively growing via compound interest. And hey, why not get into the habit now instead of waiting to have a lot?
Yeah. So, if I understand correctly, the steps would be to set a financial goal, pick a platform that suits you, and then be patient and consistent.
That's right. It's a simple plan. Set a clear goal, whether it's saving for retirement, a house, or just building wealth. Then choose a platform that feels right for you, like a robo-advisor or ETFs, and make it a habit by adding money regularly, even if it's just $20 or $50 a month.
Exactly. And staying consistent is key. So even if the market fluctuates, it's important to stay the course.
Absolutely. Market ups and downs are part of the game. The important part is you don't let short-term volatility scare you off. Instead, ride it out and let time do its magic.
You mentioned compound interest earlier. Can you walk me through how that really works in tandem with these small investments?
Sure thing. Compound interest is like earning interest on your interest. So if you invest that $100 at an average rate of 7%, over time, not only does your commission earn returns, but those returns earn more returns. It's a never-ending cycle of growth, sort of like a snowball getting bigger as it rolls downhill.
Right. That's a powerful concept, really. But do you think this approach is enough to build real wealth, or is it just a stepping stone?
It's definitely a stepping stone, but what a crucial one at that. Starting with $100 is about developing the habit and mindset. As you grow more comfortable, you can increase your investment amounts. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth steadily.
I can see that. And honestly, this approach seems less intimidating. It almost democratizes investing, right?
Absolutely. The beauty here is that anyone can start investing, even with a modest sum. You don't need to be wealthy to make your money work for you. You just need that initial spark, and then you keep the momentum going.
Yep, that's reassuring. It really challenges the notion that only the rich can invest or get rich through investments.
Exactly. It's all about accessible wealth building. And remember, each small $100 investment is a foundational block. Over time, as you add more, thanks to compound interest and consistent contributions, that initial investment can grow significantly.
Right. So, to wrap it up, starting small with $100 is the kickstart. It builds the habit, teaches you about the market, and sets you up for long-term growth, even if it's just a modest beginning.
Perfectly said. It's investing in yourself. No matter where you start, the key is to begin and then keep adding, even slowly. That's the real power of this approach.
Exactly. Awesome insights. Thanks for breaking it down so clearly. It definitely makes investing feel a lot more approachable.
Anytime. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, and the next best time is today. So go ahead and take that first step, even if it's just $100.
Yep. And that's our chat for today. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Keep investing, keep growing, and keep building your future.